Okay, so today is Saturday and I've decided to make another vlog because I haven't been making a vlog for quite a bit now. The last vlog I did was about the review of the drone that was actually sent to me. Actually, they sent me two now. So after they saw the video, they sent me another drone, and so I have two. I'm not like using it, but yeah, it's just good for display though. Probably bring that to the Philippines and give it to my niece, Isabel, and I think she likes it. She will like it, definitely. She likes drone. And also, I got an email. Just one sec. To the inside out. Okay, so I also got an email like 2 days ago from an RC car company from Amazon. They asked me to review their new RC car. It's $150 remote control car. They want me to review it because they've seen my past review for this drone, and they said that I could also try reviewing their drone, their RC car, and of course they will be giving it to me for free. So I'm so excited for it. Probably next week or two I will be getting that. And yeah, a lot of things happen. Just last week, Wednesday, I had a surgery for both my wisdom tooth, both sides. It was extracted through surgery because it was already impacted, so a surgery was needed. It was my first time to undergone a surgery. If you've been following my vlog, you probably have an idea that the dentist is one of my greatest fears. Man, I panic. When I was in college, I think I was first year college, one of my tooth was bothering me. So I didn't have a choice. I went to the dentist for the very first time. I went to the dentist with Mipo, and they were about to extract my tooth, but then I had a panic attack. Like, my entire body is shaking. I couldn't control my hands, my feet, my head. Everything is like really moving with that. It's uncontrollable. So it was just crazy. My mind is still steady, but my body is just shaking all over. And the dentist said that this is a panic attack, and in the Philippines we don't have a lot of options really, unlike here in Canada that they can either gas you up or what do you call that, sedate you and all those stuff. So there they already injected the anesthesia in my gums, but the procedure were not completed because the dentist decided to not proceed with it. So that's what happened. Now when I got here in Canada, a lot of things has happened. I've faced a lot of challenges. I've overcome a lot of challenges as well, like just living here alone. Like, I haven't been this far from my family for this long. I came here in Canada by myself. I didn't have anyone. I didn't have any relatives. I didn't have any friends. It was totally nothing. The only thing that I was holding on was my faith that God will not forsake me and God will take care of me. So that strong faith actually carried me through a lot of times already, and including when I came here. So I landed in Canada. That was around 11:20 p.m. It was -1 or -2 degrees. It was really cold. It was freezing, and oh man, what's going on in my mind that time was, I was thinking if somebody would show up, like, since I already sent a message to the homeowner where I will be renting, and yeah, a lot of things, but everything went well. God lead me to the right people, the best people actually that I know. I'm so thankful for them. I'm so thankful for the Filipino community here as well, and Back to the topic. I had a tooth surgery. I started to shake. I mean, I started to panic, but the nurse held my hand and wrapped it on the side of the bed, and then did the injection. I think that was the dextrose. And then right at the moment when I felt the needle in my hand, I instantly fell asleep. Like, I was like, oh. And then totally blackout. I didn't remember anything. I didn't remember what happened. And then I think that was after an hour or two, the nurse woke me up, and the nurse told me that, "Hey Renz, everything has been completed. You did well. Good job." And I was like, "Oh, really? I mean, yeah, here's the tooth." And then she showed me the tooth that they extracted, and I was like, "Oh." And I was like drunk. I didn't feel anything, but I was like drunk. I was like, oh, okay, what's going on? What's going on now? What's going to happen now? I was like, it was like really crazy. I just want to share it with you guys because probably years from now, I will be looking back at this event, and I would be able to like retain or refresh that memory that I had when I got the surgery. So I paid the amount that I was supposed to pay is 1,000. I believe that's $1,150, and then I only paid $360 because I have an insurance, and the current balance is $790. It would be the insurance that will be paying for the $790. Here in Canada, although healthcare is free, but dental is not included. That's why, like, I've heard before that like a lot of Canadians would go to Mexico to have a dental holiday there. Someone goes to the Philippines or other countries that are cheaper, because here in Canada, dentist is really expensive. Seeing a dentist is really expensive. So yeah, I think that's all I can share for now. I'll probably talk to you again next week or when I receive the remote control car and do a review. So before I go, I would like to give you guys a tip. When you come here in Canada, or before you come here in Canada, I would suggest you do all your dental stuff. If you have a tooth that needs to be extracted, or if you need some cleaning and other stuff, do it in your home country, especially if you're from the Philippines. Man, I was like really regretting not seeing a good dentist while I was in the Philippines. Even the like higher end dental clinics in the Philippines is still way cheaper compared to the regular dentist here. So have everything fixed, your teeth, because you don't want to spend $1,000 for tooth extraction. So thank you so much for watching, guys. That was just a quick update. If you have any questions, suggestions, please feel free to comment it below. I appreciate all the subscribers. Thank you so much. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, and I would appreciate it a lot. By the way, moving forward, I would probably be making my vlog a little bit in English and Bisaya. I'm a Bisaya jikong dako, and I'm a Filipino, but I'm having a hard time expressing myself in Tagalog. I can't really speak Tagalog that well. I can understand Tagalog 100%, but when it comes to expressing myself in Tagalog, it's a struggle. So I'll just do Bisaya and English vlog and probably a little bit of Tagalog. Yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and see you in my next vlog. Bye.
You lifted me up, you sailed me away. The world keeps on turning, the struggles never end, but take